Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add your profile name on Luno account. So first we're going to open the Luno app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store as I've been mentioning it. Then you're going to click on the profile section on the top right corner. Then here you're going to click on settings. Then next you're going to click on the name option. So here you're going to insert your first name as well as your last name, but the last name is optional. Then once you're done, you're going to click on update. Then once you go back, as you can see, there is your name. So that's how you add your name. It's an easy tutorial, as you can see. Then you guys could continue with your crypto shopping as well as seeing all the trading options. So that's how you basically do it. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.